Hello, today we will guide you through how to download Slack for free on PC or laptop. If you want to install Slack on your computer without paying anything, the process is very simple and only takes a few minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll go from finding the official download page to starting the download on your PC or laptop. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. You can use any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. The goal here is simply to get to a search page where you can safely find the official Slack website. Once Google is open, click into the search bar and type Slack download. This search should bring up results related to downloading the Slack desktop app. Try to keep the search phrase simple, because that usually makes it easier to find the correct result quickly. After the search results appear, look for the official Slack download result and click it. This is an important step because you want to make sure you're downloading Slack from Slack's own website rather than from a third-party source. The official result will typically mention Slack directly and lead you to the Slack downloads page. Taking a moment to confirm that you're on the official site is a good habit whenever you download software. Once you're on the Slack download page, find the option that says Download 64-bit and click it. This will begin downloading the installer for the 64-bit version of Slack, which is the version used by most modern Windows PCs and laptops. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear at the bottom of the window in a Downloads panel or inside your default Downloads folder. At this point, the download should start automatically. If it doesn't begin right away, give it a few seconds and check whether your browser is waiting for confirmation. Internet speed can also affect how quickly the file appears, so a short delay is normal. And that's it for downloading Slack for free on your PC or laptop. After the installer finishes downloading, you'll be ready to open it and continue with the setup on your device. As a quick tip, always download apps like Slack from their official site to help make sure you're getting the latest and safest version available. Thanks for following along, and you should now have the Slack download file ready on your computer.